Hey guys, James House with Texas Academy of Sports Medicine. Today I want to talk to you about confidence. I see a lot of students that struggle with this area. When they get on the floor at the beginning, they just don't have the confidence in order to be able to demand the respect that a trainer has to have in order to get things done. And one of the things that you cannot do or be as a personal trainer is mild and meek. I mean, you have to be commanding. You have to make sure that you have that authority. There are many who come in, they don't have a problem with it, but there are many who struggle. And I do know a lot who haven't gone through a hands-on program like what we offer here, and they'll go through and study the online material, learn the information, pass the exam, get the certification, go to work at a gym, and they're completely lost. And I totally get that. Back when I was a kid, I wanted to play football really bad. My mother didn't let me because she was afraid I was going to get hurt until I was in the 6th grade. In the 6th grade, they said that I had to do a certain number of exercises, which had to do with jogging a certain number of miles, push-ups, sit-ups, sprints, those kinds of things. And I did it. I did it faithfully. And when tryouts came, I blew everybody away. I left them all eating my dust. But whenever we were padded up and got on the football field, all the confidence that I had that came from that tryout just dissolved because I didn't have a clue what I was doing. The coach asked me, "What position do you play?" I don't know. I don't even know the names of the positions. And so the lack of experience created in me a lack of confidence. And it wasn't until I had spent time on the field learning and practicing that I developed that confidence. Now, when it comes to training, and this is true of any area of your life, by the way, but when it comes to training, if you don't practice training, if you don't get in front of a mirror and train yourself, videotape yourself, critique, study. I didn't like the way I did that. I want that to sound better. My voice was too mild. I was too soft. Whatever it is, if you don't really practice and evaluate your abilities, then you're not going to develop that confidence that you need. Confidence, bottom line, comes from rehearsal. You have to rehearse. If I told you that I'm going to take you and put you in, unless you're a pianist, I'm going to put you in front of 2,000 people and I want you to play Beethoven's Fiordalise. Like, I don't think so. That's not going to happen. Why not? I can't do it. Why can't you do it? Because you haven't rehearsed. You haven't practiced. But the more you practice anything, the better you will become, and that's what will give you the confidence to do it. So confidence isn't just some magical, mystical thing that will fall out of the air and suddenly strike your brain like lightning, and now you're confident, you're ready to go. Confidence comes from you learning how to do something and then doing it over and over and over and over again. Practicing. And if you don't do that, if you fail to do that, you're going to struggle with confidence until you just are forced after many sessions to develop it. But it will be an area that you'll struggle in. So right here at the beginning, I want you to understand that you may lack confidence, and that's okay as long as you're willing to do the work of learning how to do this and then practice. With the students that come into the hands-on program, that's one of the things I tell them when I send the projects home. That's what they are doing. They're practicing. And if they don't do that, they'll fail the program. Because I know that if you don't practice, you're not going to have the confidence to do it come time when you get a job or when you decide to get out and start your business. So, and as I said earlier, guys, this is true of any area of your life. Let's say that you want more confidence in meeting people. Well, that isn't just going to happen magically. You have to learn how to interact with people, meet people that you don't know, and then practice. Just do it. First, practice in front of a mirror. Videotape yourself. See how you look. See how you sound. If you don't like it, change it, tweak it, rehearse it. And then you'll have the confidence to go out and practice with other people. And that really is where that confidence should come from. The confidence is that I have in any area, even if it's an area that I don't know anything about or haven't had rehearsal, my confidence comes from the fact that I know anything that I want to know, I will learn, and I will use the experience to learn. So I will grow and develop exactly what it is that I need to develop. So I have that kind of confidence, but I certainly wouldn't get in front of 2,000 people and play Beethoven. I'm not that confident. So I encourage you, those of you that are on the track to become personal trainers, and even those of you that are already personal trainers, if you struggle with this area of confidence, simply ask yourself, what is it that I lack confidence in? Learn how to do that, and then practice over and over and over again. And then you'll build the confidence that you need. Till next time, guys, have a great day.